don't go out with your friends. They don't ever keep you in check. They gon' let you do whatever and blame it on the liquor.
Hey y'all, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Danielle. If this is your very first time here, and I'm a work from home mom sharing the realistic ways that I manage my career, family, and home while maintaining my personal identity, because that is of the utmost importance to me. So if you have the same struggles, go ahead and subscribe. We can figure this out together, girl. Join the family. All right, girl. So in today's video, I'm about to wash Corey's hair. Today is her little birthday celebration outing. So we're gonna go to Sky Zone, and I'm gonna wash her hair because her hair is a mess. It's been in those braids for about a month. I know. You don't have to tell me about it. I know that's trifling. It's okay though. It's okay. We're fixing it today. I took out
most of the braids.
No, I cut the beads out, and then she started actually taking the braids out. So I need to finish up taking the remainder of these braids out. It's only a couple left, and then just do a quick like run through with the unbrush just to make sure that I'm getting most of the dead hair out before I put water on it, and then we will begin washing this hair. And it's gonna be pretty quick and easy because I'm just gonna put it in 3 ponytails. So this will be an easy hairstyle, easy hairstyle for the week.
And that's just not the
So as far as products, I will invest in good hair care products because it does make a difference in how the final style turns out and just the overall health of your hair. So I am using the Mizani Scalp Care as like a clarifying shampoo. And then I'm also, and this is the Reviving and Refreshing Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. And then I'm also going to go in with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Shampoo. One of my faves. And then I'm gonna follow that up with the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Other top favorite, Amika Soul Food. I'm out of it right now. I have it on a recurring, I have a subscription from Amazon, so it'll be on the way this week. So we will be ringing up on that, and I didn't have to do it myself. We love that. I gotta clean out this sink because people have been eating this morning, and now there is a sink full of dishes, and then we're gonna get into washing our hair.
They gon' let you do whatever and blame it on the liquor. Don't forget that your friends, they don't ever keep you in check. They gon' let you do whatever and blame it on the liquor. Don't forget that. honest, you know it's reckless, yeah. Please don't go out with your friends. They don't ever keep you in check. They gon' let you do whatever and blame it on the liquor. Don't forget that your friends. They don't ever keep you in check. They gon' let you do whatever and blame it on the liquor. Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about.
Okay, y'all. It is. They just left the house. I was planning on going, but I'm tired. So since I did all the running around this week, Bernie is taking them to what's that place called? The jump place. Oh my gosh, what is it called? Sky Zone. He's taking them to Sky Zone alone. And she wants crab legs for dinner, so I'm gonna order a red lobster and he can pick it up on his way home and we'll all eat that for dinner, and that's gonna be it. I'll be on this couch until it's time for me to get in that bed, and then I'll be in that bed till it's time to get back on this couch tomorrow morning, and that's all that's happening. But I asked him to send me a picture of her hair because I didn't get a chance to show it to y'all. Hopefully you're seeing it right now. It's probably raggedy because he don't know how to take good pictures, so I'm sorry in advance. But yeah, I don't plan to do much for the rest of the day. I don't plan to do much tomorrow. I'm really just trying to relax. Oh, That's all that's on my agenda today. So I'll see y'all later.
Is that the top of the crab? Where'd you grab some? His mom made my plate.
What you want? You can have more. I just wanted to make sure you got some crab. I mean, yeah, I wanted to make sure you got a lot of crab. Okay, it is Sunday, and the kids are currently at the party that I told y'all about. I was there with them for like the first hour and a half, but then Kane said he didn't want to go. But then he said he did want to go, so Bernie brought him. And then I was like, let me go do some grocery shopping while you sit here for the rest of the party, because it's only like an hour left. He'll be fine. So he's with the kids. I'm about to run to Costco because I'm trying to get back on track this week. So I am going to try to find some healthy, convenient meal ideas. I want to try the oats overnight. That's one thing I'm thinking about. I need to look up some reviews about that and see what people are saying. But that's one thing I'm thinking about. And then I'm gonna get some fruit, and I think for a snack I might get some Yasso bars. We'll see if they have any in stock. And I don't know, I'll see what else. I need to find some like easy meal stuff that I can just portion out and eat, because a lot of the times I'm so busy during the days that I don't even eat until dinner time. Like, I have my coffee and then I just forget about everything else, all the other meals, because I'm running around so much. Or at least this week, that's what was happening. So I'm hoping that if I just have something easy, it'll make it a lot easier to stay on track. So that is my goal for this week. That's my only goal for this week, to try to get some kind of meal plan, something in place that's healthier than what I've been doing. That's it. I'm not going to overload myself with a bunch of like, has to be perfect, regimented things. It's just too much to try to add at one time. I need it to be easy for this first week, and it will ease back in. So that is what I'm doing right now. And I'll take y'all into Costco with me so we can look for some healthy stuff together. We'll see what we can find. And I'll probably get some, may or may not get protein bars. Cody's texting me. I know she said it's snowing. It is snowing. Crazy. All right. I'm about to vibe out. I'll see y'all at Costco. We used to flex in Texas. Don't get jealous. Making good love to each other, and I know that I'm being hateful, but that ain't nothing. I'm just human. Okay, my camera died and it was about to die in the store, so I had to stop recording. But quick haul. Oh, excuse me. So I got these overnight oats. Hopefully these taste good, and then I can use these for my breakfast this week. Actually, I should get 2 weeks of breakfast out of these. Some ice cream bars for them, and then I'm gonna try these Johnny Pops this week. Hopefully they'll last the full week, and hopefully I can get some of them. 2 gallons of milk, some Honeycrisp apples, bananas, some thick cut bacon, spicy what are these called? Chicken strips, just thin strips. I can use these for a crispy chicken salad with the lettuce, or I can do like some wraps, like crispy chicken wraps with the lettuce and chicken strips. So that's 2 lunch options. And then I also got this cauliflower crust pizza, which would be a 3rd lunch option for me this week. And also like leftovers, if we have leftovers. Crispy wings. Cauliflower pizza. It's snowing. I don't think it's gonna like actually stick. Grapefruit. I love grapefruit. Frosted Flakes for them. You can put that away. Y'all can also put this ice cream away. Strawberries, cherries, grapes. I think I already said bananas, apples. Yeah, that's all the fruit. And then we have a bunch of frozen fruit in the freezer too.
I don't know why you say y'all if I'm the only one who's down here.
Get Kane some salmon.
Hey, come to the grocery.
Oh gosh. Cheese pizzas for them. Dumplings, another quick and easy lunch option or dinner option if it's like a day I don't cook. And is that it? Oh, what y'all sitting on? This applesauce. And that is the full grocery haul. I feel like this don't seem like that much now that it's on the counter. It seemed like a lot when it was in the cart, but this was like $250 for everything. So about my normal weekly.
$250.
Just throw it.
I think you're watching football. It's just like my normal weekly Sam's Club or Costco haul amount. For some reason it all pretty much always come out to about $250. Those are mine for my breakfast this week. Thank you. Don't eat my stuff.
Are the Johnny things yours too?
Yeah, but the ice cream bars are y'all's. Is it some more of those Yasso bars I bought last time? The cookies and cream? Yeah, that's for y'all. Alright, I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my Sunday. I will see y'all tomorrow. Corey, bring me some hangers out of my closet.
Ow.
What?
Scratch myself.
Ow!
Is this many fine?
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.